And now for the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today said Voice of Global South is a unique platform reflecting the changing world in the 21st century. In his address at the inaugural session of the virtual Voice of Global South Summit, he said Global South has been able to find its voice after the concrete efforts of all Global South nations. He said India has condemned the terrorist attack in Israel on 7th October and laid emphasis on exercising restraints and on dialogue and diplomacy. He said India strongly condemns the deaths of civilians in the conflict between Israel and Hamas.
भारत ने 7 अक्टूबर को इजरायल में हुए जघन्य आतंकी हमले की निंदा की है। हमने रिस्ट्रेंट के साथ ही डायलॉग और डिप्लोमेसी पर भी जोर दिया है। इजरायल और हमास के कॉन्फ्लिक्ट में सिविलियंस की मौत की हम कठोर निंदा करते हैं। राष्ट्रपति